Hello traders, this is Sherry. It's 1 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, and we will just placing some good trades in market. This trade was based on the buyer's area, and I'm just trying to see where market is trying to go right now. Um, let's mark a level here. We have this level, very near level, so we will just try to wait for the market to reach this level, or if there is any good momentum started, then we can go with the sellers as well, because I can see that there is a pattern here, and buyers are here as well. And there is a good pressure from sellers from this point. So this is our complete analysis on the market right now. So what we can do is we can go for lower option, but when market is at least here, not here, because here at this point the hammers are appearing. This shows that there is enough buyers pressure here, so it will be a very 50-50 trade if we place our trade right here. So we need to wait for the market to reach at this level at least. We will wait for the market to see if there is any rejection, then we can go for the lower option. Otherwise, if buyers are strong, then obviously we'll go with the buyers. Okay, so buyers are getting pressure from sellers like this. Similarly, okay, I have placed my trade for here for lower option now, because I am seeing that there is a continuously pressure from sellers, and sellers are placing a really good pressure on the sellers, buyers, so there is a rejection again and again. That's why I have placed my trade for lower option. Let's see if we are able to win this trade. Oh, this is our bad luck that buyers have successfully broke this level. So we can try again with the good market. Okay, this is sellers momentum as well. We will try to trade in this market as well, but I can see it's a good buyers area, but the momentum is sellers, but because sellers are weak at this area, and but we need to see if what really makes sense, right? So there was a breakout, then again sellers, then again breakout, then again sellers. So again we are expecting sellers here. Okay, I have placed here $15 trade because of this buyer's area, and it's really good momentum. So what will happen that it will go higher and higher, and the chances of winning this trade are higher. So let's see. This huge candle shows that there is enough pressure from buyers, but there is enough pressure from sellers as well. So little risky trade, but because the level is buyers, so buyers will try to go higher side. So we are only 15 seconds to go with the winning trade, right? Okay, so we are good to go. We will trade for Euro USD again. Okay, you see, after this again sellers entered, so it was a really good entry point. This market is little risky. So guys, you see, first trade is winning trade and second trade has lost because of this wrong analysis, I guess. Because there was always 50-50 chances in the, because there is always chances to break out the level. So this happened, and this was a good trade with the good momentum of buyers, although there was sellers momentum in the in the previous history, but because of this level it was obviously there will be a buyer's momentum. So again I'm seeing that it's at the level, so again I'm expecting that there will be buyers enter into market. So I will not trade here because there are always chances of breakout. So I will see how candle this candle reacts at this level, so that we can go for higher or lower option. Okay, so this is breakout, so obviously we will not go with the buyers, but we can go with the sellers. This were the buyers. Now we can go with the sellers, right? It will be a good momentum, although there is a pressure from buyers, but let's see why there are buyers. Let me check what happened here. Because it's a Friday market now, so it will create long candles like that always, but it's okay, we have time. There are chances that the sellers again put pressure and we win this trade. So let's don't invest much, right? And see how market reacts, and then we can go accordingly. Our trade is here. Let's see how quickly sellers can come down. Seems like we are losing this trade. Let's make a trend line here, that how buyers are entering into market. This is level. We can check other markets as well. Meanwhile, we see how this is basically this market is reacting. Then accordingly we can go for higher option or lower option. Is this a buyer's momentum or sellers? Let's see. Okay, it's a level, but it's not that strong level. Let's see how, if there is a no rejection at this point, then we can go with the sellers. This could be a retracement candle, or it will be rejected, and again we will go with the lower option. Okay, I'm going with the sellers again because it has put a good pressure. Our entry point is not good, so we will just try to place another trade with marginal safety. Okay, so we are winning this trade again, so don't need to uh, basically go for again trade or something like that, because it's a momentum and it will continue up to this level. So what's happening here, we have really good buyers at this point, so once market is here we can go for higher option again. So we have lost two trades, so we will go with the $15 trade once market is here. So because I can see that the sellers have put a good pressure on this, so I'm expecting that there will be a good healthy sellers candle here. So because of that I have placed my $30 here. So um, although we have lost 3 trades in the history, but this trade will create mystery for you guys. This is not emotional trading, right? You have to be very conscious while placing your trade, and it is never recommended that you put your whole account in one trade. But we do that when we have surety, when we get signal for that, right? When we have the proper analysis on the market, then we do that, right? So let's discuss our all trades, right? First trade is this one. This is based on the buyer's pressure, buyer's area in the, and the sellers ends are ending here, and they are giving a good pressure from the buyers. The hammers at this level shows the positive point that this is a good buyer's area. You can see it's parallel to that, right? And the previous, in the previous history, if we see the list, this candle shows that although sellers try to enter into market, but because of this green candle, right? Although this is a huge rejection, but again this is green candle. This shows that buyers are more powerful than the sellers at this point. Therefore I place my trade for a higher option, right? Okay. This was lost trade. This was based on the pattern we created in the market. The market was getting rejected at this point, but there was a breakout, so because of that we lost this trade. So it's okay, it happens. We won this trade when we see that buyers are at this point, and we continue entering into market. So the next level was either here or here, so I thought that this will be a winning trade, so I placed my $15 trade, and let's winning trade with $13 of profit. So this is lost trade. Obviously this is wrong trade, very foolish trade. It happens, we are human, we make mistakes, right? It was a good, you can see it was a good buyer's trend line, where I have placed my lower option, but I was looking at it only at this pattern. I forgot to see the whole history and the trend line, right? That's why I lost this trade. This was lost based on the pattern, right? But obviously always there are chances of the buyers candle, and this was the buyers momentum at this point because of the previous buyers area. You can see a really good buyers momentum, buyers hammers are appearing in the market. I mean, if we go back, we see a really good buyers momentum at this point. So sometime it happens that although the more chances at this point was the sellers momentum, at least at this point, till that point, but sometimes market manipulates to so that you lose trade. That's why it is recommended not to put your all amount in one trade. um, like this one, right? This was huge for the people. It may look like I have placed all my amount or all my account in this one trade, but this is not true. I was waiting for the right time, and when sellers candle appeared, then I got that okay, the previous history is sellers and there is no huge buyers at this point, although there are some buyers at this point. You can see here, but when the sellers enter into market and the next very good buyers are at this point, so there are 70 to 40%, there are 70 to 80% chances that I will win the trade. So I placed my $30 here, and I won this trade, and the lost. So basically I lost three trades, and I won 3 trades, but I'm again in profit because of the per trade amount I decided based on the quality of the different trades, right? So you can do the same. Always be very confident about your strategies. If you can lose as well. People don't put the videos of their lost trade. I don't manipulate, even I don't know editing, right? So I just record it and I will just post it right now so that you guys can see my trading. If you like my trading style, you can watch my videos, you can talk to me, you can subscribe my channel, like, comment and subscribe, and you can obviously, you can always come to me to learn from me. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.